Hello students, now we will learn a question of trigonometry for class 9th and 10th. The question is, prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 equals to cosec A plus cot. So we will solve it like this. हम इसको इस तरह से सॉल्व करेंगे. Solution, we will take left hand side, that is LHS cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1. So in next step it will be cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 multiplied by cos A plus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A plus 1. So we have multiplied this cos A minus sin A plus 1, cos A plus sin A minus 1 with cos A plus sin A plus 1, cos A plus sin A minus plus 1. Now this cos A into cos A, now I will multiply. So cos into cos, cos square A will write. We can write like this: cos A into cos A plus cos A into sin A sin A plus cos A. Means I am multiplied with cos, cos into cos, cos is cos A, cos into sin A, cos into 1 is cos, minus sin into cos, sin A into cos A, minus sin A into sin A, minus sin A, sin into 1. Now 1 will be multiplied cos A plus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A, let us say it is A, and cos A plus sin A plus 1. So this becomes in the form of A square minus B square. So I can write cos A plus sin A square minus 1 square. Here identity used is, that is A square minus B square equals to A plus B, A minus B. Now cos into cos means cos square A plus cos into sin A, cos A into sin A plus cos A minus sin A into cos A minus sin square A minus sin A plus cos A plus sin A plus 1 upon here equals to cos A plus sin square A plus B whole square. So cos square A plus sin square A plus 2 cos A into sin A minus 1. Here we have used the formula, that is A plus B whole square A square 2AB plus B square. Now we will do that plus cos A into sin A minus cos A into sin A, this cancels. Minus sin A and plus sin A, this cancels. So we will get cos square A minus sin square A plus cos A plus 1. That means so equals to cos square A plus 2 cos A plus 1 minus sin square A upon 2 sin A into cos A. So this comes out to be cos square A plus 2 cos A plus 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. Now identity is sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. From this identity, we will use this identity. So cos square 1 minus sin square A becomes cos square A equals to 2 cos square upon 2 sin A into cos A. So here cos square A plus cos square A means 2 cos square A equals to 2 cos square A plus 2 cos A upon 2 sine A into cos A. Now this can be written as, I will take common 2 cos A. 2 cos A is common. Then here I will get 1 plus cos A upon 2 sin A into cos A. So cos A cancels, 2 cancels. We get 1 plus cos A upon sin A, or this can be written as 1 by sin A plus cos A upon sin A equals to, this is cosec A, 1 by sin A is equal to cosec A plus cot A and RHS. So this is the way to prove the type of trigonometric questions. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.